Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use this herbicide step by step. If you like this video, please visit our website for more information. Or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
Nutsedges are persistent, hardy weeds that can be difficult to eliminate. If you're looking to easily get rid of nutsedges from your property, check out Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator. Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator is a highly effective, selective, post-emergent herbicide that eliminates sedges and other weeds without harming established cool season or warm season turfgrass and desired plants. Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator comes in a half-ounce packet of dry granules that must be dissolved in water before application. You'll need to mix this product into a sprayer of your choice. For most small-scale applications, we recommend you use either a handheld pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To calculate the amount of solution you'll need, calculate your treatment area's square footage by multiplying the area's length by its width. 1 gallon of solution is needed to treat 1,000 square feet of treatment area. To treat sedges and other labeled weeds, you'll dissolve the contents of 1 half-ounce pouch in 1 gallon of water. Fill your selected sprayer with half a gallon of water, then add the contents of 1 pouch of Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator. Agitate the mixture until the product is fully dispersed. Then add the remaining half gallon of water. Close your sprayer, then shake it to ensure an even distribution. When the solution is fully mixed, you can add additional products to your solution, such as a marking dye. Once your solution is well mixed, use a fan spray setting to spray target weeds. But you can also apply a broadcast treatment if your lawn is experiencing heavy weed activity. When spraying near desired plants, be sure to spray around the plant and not over the top of desired flowers, ornamentals, vegetables, shrubs, or trees. Be sure to spray weeds to the point of wet and not runoff. If you don't notice affected weeds start to die within 2 weeks, a follow-up application may be necessary. Conduct the follow-up 6 to 10 weeks after the initial application. Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator is labeled to treat sedges and other weeds in residential lawns as well as on commercial properties like lumber yards, tank farms, campgrounds, cemeteries, school grounds, and sports fields. This product can also be applied over labeled warm season grasses like St. Augustine grass, Bermuda grass, and Bahia grass, and cool season grasses like fescue, Kentucky bluegrass, and perennial ryegrass. Apply Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator when the turfgrass has not been mowed for at least 2 days, and do not mow for 2 days after application. Be sure to use on warm days when no rainfall is predicted for at least 4 hours after application is complete, as the product will become rainfast after 4 hours. Do not use if either the turfgrass or the targeted nutsedge is experiencing stress. Application to stressed nutsedge may cause overstimulation, causing increased nutsedge growth instead of control. Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely. To help avoid over-application in spot and broadcast treatments, we recommend you use a marking dye like Vision Blue or Vision Pro Max. These products are temporary colorants used to indicate where you've already sprayed. When mixed into your spray solution, your application will leave turf a deep blue color, reminding you where you've sprayed so you know not to apply there again. Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator is an effective product that eliminates sedges and other weeds. Shop for Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator on our website or stop by one of our store locations. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.